Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to view saved games in chess.com. Open the chess.com app. You can see over here chess.com has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Whenever you play the game in chess.com, it will automatically be saved in the game history. If you want to view them, what you have to do is simply go to the home interface. You can see over here I am already in the home interface. If you're not in the home interface, tap on the option home that you can see at bottom. You'll be able to see various options over here. Scroll down. Right over here you'll be able to find this section for game history. Tap on the option view all games. Now you can see all the games that you've played over here. You can also see the game review and analyze the game by tapping on the individual game. So like this, you'll be able to view saved games on chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.